Hey everyone, how's it going? We have a 2020 C8 in the shop. This is like the umpteenth red one we've done. We just are getting ready to deliver the black one that you saw a video on recently. But we do so many C8s here at Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings, so this is yet another one. This one is getting a modified track pack. It's getting the hood, fenders, front bumper, carbon flash pieces in PPF with Autobahn Incognito lifetime warranty. It's going to do the mirrors, and then on this one, we're going to do the rocker panels and this piece of the rocker panel as well. And then we're going to polish the rest of it. This was purchased used. It's got a good bit of swirls and stuff, so we're going to polish out those, and then we're going to ceramic coat everything that you see here. Come check it out. All right, Mike already did me a huge favor while I was printing the patterns for this. He removed the emblem, and we always remove the emblems now on this. It sits 4 3/8 inches up from the notch in the front. We know that by now because we do so many of these C8s. So now I'm gonna start prepping it. We're gonna be using a multi-purpose cleaner on the wheels and all the crevices. We're gonna try to dislodge some of the dirt that's already in there. Now, this 2020 has 20,000 miles on it. It's a sports car. It already has rock chips in the front. We talked to the client about that, but just realize that existing rock chips, when you're putting PPF over top of them, they will show. They're not hidden by the PPF, and sometimes they could be slightly accentuated. But the good news is it's not gonna get any worse. So we're gonna put this PPF on, but first I'm gonna prep it. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm using this little soft bristle detailing brush, and the multi-purpose cleaner is a lubricant. You can see it foaming up, and I'm trying to dislodge the dirt. Now remember, this is a 4-year-old car now or so at this point, and so even from the factory there's going to be dirt under these headlights and behind these little trim pieces and such, but it's even worse once it's got 20,000 miles. So that's like 4 years and 20,000 miles worth of dirt getting shoved up there. So I'm going to do this a couple times probably to try to dislodge as much as I can. And then I have a really safe pressure washer and pressure washer tip, and I'll get real close in the edges and try to blow out the rest of it. What I'm doing here is using a clay towel, and we get this from Auto Fiber, and we're doing this to really dislodge contaminants from the paint so they don't get stuck to the back of the film, and they show up as debris under the film. We try to minimize everything that we can on our installs. I'm sure you can hear it in the background. You can hear the air purifiers going. We got a bunch of air purifiers in here, a bunch of small ones. If you see the white ones, we got 5 of them. They're HEPA filters, 1 micron filters, and then we have 1, 2, 3 larger ones up on the ceiling and placed above certain areas, and they have a 5 micron and a 1 micron filter on them. So we try to really eliminate debris as much as possible in here.